Class. My name is Nia Moda, and today we're going to redesign this flyer, the party poster, by Gratitude Graphic Designer. You can check him up on Instagram. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing we want to do is to get the image that we're going to be using, but then let's change the background to black. All right. So we're gonna bring in we couldn't get the exact image. So we're able to get this one that we actually crop out from the original image. The purpose for this is just for learning, all right? It's not we're not stealing designs, we're just using it for practice. So after you've gotten this one, you want to go ahead and get the text effect. Now usually you get a text effect and then you edit it on Photoshop or Photopea. All right. You can check the description for a video on how to do that. So this is the text effect. All right. So we're going to put it here like this. All right. Something like that. All right. Then the background is going to be this guy here. All right. That's going to be the background. Okay. Okay. So, but after the background, we have this guy we're going to use also. This one here. All right, so let's bring in the original design so that we can copy some stuff from there. So bringing in the original design, which is this one here. So from there, I can pick a certain color that I'm seeing right now. So click on plus, click on this pen drop, then click on the design, and click on this color here. All right. Okay. So I can put this here, copy it, put it there, copy, put it there. You can even, okay, let's put it here too. All right, so just log this three, 1, 2, 3. All right, then let's see. All right, copy it again. Now let's pick the other color that is going to be there. So from the original design, I can pick this color. The next color is this. All right, it is a very dark brown, so we'll put it there like this. Put it there like this. Put it there like this. Put this there. All right, the next is going to be black, so we'll come here. Okay, we'll put it here, copy, put it here, copy, put it there. All right, so let's just ensure that everything is locked. Now we can bring in the picture to the front and bring in this guy to the front. So here's what we've got. But then if you notice, we have to pick this guy, copy it, bring it somewhere here. All right, we can bring this to the front again. So this is what we have now. All right, this is what we have now. Okay. All right, so let's bring this guy here. Akboro life. Go over here, change it to black, change this life to red. Just pick the red from the shirt. All right, then break it like this, reduce it here. Then close up the line spacing like this. All right. Okay, so if you check very well the original design, we have this guy here, Lafia Invasion 2.0, the happiness edition. So we'll come over here. I think, let's check again. All right, I think this picture and this whole thing, 1, 2, we can move them, all of it, to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1. Or we can move everything up like this. All right, in order to create space for the text that I want to add now. So that text is going to be here. So let's just use this guy to create the text. You can just slant it a little. All right. You can pick the color from the original design. Click on plus, then select the design, which is this one here. Then click on this. Right. So we can just copy this, rotate it like this. So right here, we're going to write Lafia edition, right? Lafia edition. Okay. Let the color be white. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So the color is going to be yellow, not white. Yellow, yellow, yellow. This color. Then there's going to be happiness edition. So come over here and write happiness edition. Is it happiness edition? So let's confirm that. Okay, yes, happiness edition. All right. Okay, so make it white. So here will be Lafia invasion. All right. Okay, reduce it, put it there. Okay, so this we're going to, okay, just make it straight like this. All right. I'll just come here and just write 2.0. Unlike saying this is the second edition. All right. Then we have this guy that's going to be here. This guy, let's bring it to the front. We are just going to drag it like this and put it here and change the color to white. We'll use it to write the last stuff there. Okay. It's looking like this whole thing is too big. So let's adjust it a little. All right, so let's move this guy. Let's adjust these guys. All right, so we're going to have 3 tickets. Okay, so this is a movie ticket template. We're just going to change the color to white. All right, we'll change the color to white and fix it right here. This guy, so fix it right here, right? So if you check the original design, there are 3, right, all together. So we'll stretch this a little, put it here. All right, we'll copy it, put this other one here, copy this and put this other guy here. All right, so we'll go here now. We'll click on this icon here. All right, is to group all together. You click on this relative position, click on this one. So we have all of them fixed like this. All right, so let's go over here and check something now. If you go over here now, you will see tar conference or Lafia, then the contact for booking ticket, for booking on ticket information and sponsorship. All right, so we're going to go over here. All right, click on this. It says star conference all Lafia. All right. All right, it's not bad. So black. All right, to adjust this. Okay, so the next one will be the contact. All right, All right, so we'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so change the font style to maybe medium. Then we'll copy this again and we'll fix this there. Right, so let's come over here. All right, right there it says Sunday, September 15th. So we'll just write Sunday. All right, red. Okay, adjust it here. Copy this. All right, we write September for short. September. All right, we can use black for that. All right, then we'll copy this 15th. Okay. All right, we can just close up the space a little. Okay. All right, so we have here this guy, which you can put here, just black. You can just make it bold, reduce it and put it right here. All right, so right here we have this guy here. So right here we can just say main red carpet. Okay, reduce it like this. We can copy this and fix it here. So we can bring this red carpet, copy it. So here we can just say main event. Sorry, not that. This one, main event. All right, we'll just change the color to black. All right, so we'll just adjust it a little. Yep. Then we can pick maybe one of these, and then just going to be 5 p.m. there. All right, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So after you've done that, then the next thing you want to do is to fill in that space where you have the ticket. Okay. All right, so I'm trying to fill in all these guys now. So here you have table for 6. Okay, so adjust it. We can copy it and bring it back again. So we have table for 10. All right, so that's how you go ahead and fill in all the other information. Premium table, sponsorship table. So we can just copy this and put it here. So here it says premium table. So we're almost done. So here it says registration 3K. All right, it's going to be red. Just increase it a little. Then we can copy this and put this one here, VIP 10K. Okay. All right, so something like this actually, as you can see. All right, so after you've done it like this, you can go ahead and save your work. Okay, so even though this bottom part is not properly spaced, you can push this up. Okay, then push this up one more like this, then push this one up one more, centralize it. Let's make it bold. Then we can move this one just one up like this. All right, when you're done, you go ahead and save your design. My name is Niamuda. Do not forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Credit to Gratitude Graphic Designer.